And we're back. This is Biscayne Supercars reporting live from the barn Miami in Doral, Miami, Florida. We have a lot of classic and vintage exotic cars, so let's just take a look around. Yeah, it's a beautiful showroom. Here we have classic Porsche Carrera GT. It's a lot of people's dream car right here. Let's take a look at it. You know what this is? Cobra GT-500E. Gone in 60 seconds Mustang. Ferrari Testarossa. Ocean blue. Camaro SS. White interior. And something a little more up to date for a lot of you guys. We have a Mercedes-Benz S-Class Coupe, carbon fiber spoiler. You know I love carbon fiber. The S63 AMG, beautiful. Here we go with that classic Shelby Cobra. The blue with the white racing stripes is always a classic spec for this car. Shelby Cobras are nice, bro. I love Shelby Cobras. There's that Targa Porsche, another Porsche. I love this burgundy on it, the peanut butter guts. Here we have a classic Aston Martin, beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Have a classic Jaguar right here. A Shaguar, if you will. We have a Ferrari California. This white is beautiful. Let's take a look at this beautiful, beautiful Ferrari Testarossa. And another look at that Shelby Cobra. And classic Mini Cooper. Man, if I had to pick, I don't think I could narrow it down to one car. So I'll go ahead and pick 3 of my favorite cars in here. I won't even beat around the bush. Obviously this Porsche Carrera GT, that's numero uno. The Mustang, classic Mustang is always nice. Yeah, the Testarossa. The classic. So anybody that ever used to watch the classic, iconic show Miami Vice knows all about the Ferrari Testarossa. You probably had a poster of it on your wall like I did. I had one in red. This Corvette Z06 is a beast right here. See the carbon fiber? And we have a Chevy Camaro SS 396. Beautiful. Mercedes-Benz 280 SL. It is beautiful. Classic Chevy Corvette. Porsche 912. Stairs at the barn Miami. Couple racing posters. Got a pool table, full bar. Okay, so we can get a better look at some of the cars on the left. See the Alfa Romeo in the corner. Porsche with the big wing in the back. It's like the Will Smith Bad Boys Porsche. That classic, classic Ferrari Testarossa. And again, there goes that Porsche Carrera GT. There goes that Shelby Cobra. There goes another Shelby Cobra. Beautiful. So again, I'd like to thank the barn Miami and Gaston for being so welcoming and letting me film some content in here for me and for you guys. I know you guys love the car content. Stick around for more. We have a lot more surprises coming up, a lot more exotic cars, a lot more classic cars, a lot more supercars, more hypercars.